Hey everyone, Bob Mangino here. Sellers, have you wondered why properties on Easy Real Estate platform are priced 6 to 20% below traditional listings, which drives more traffic to your listing? Easy Real Estate platform has learned from auction houses to separate the list price of the property from the commissions and other fees paid for the property. This lowers the price for your listing, which gets attention from buyers. Auction houses have been using this strategy successfully for years. Easy Real Estate Platform's website and auction houses both separate list price from commissions, providing transparency for both sellers and buyers. For buyers, this is a golden opportunity to snag deals below market rates, and for sellers who have a real need to sell their property, a golden opportunity to sell. As always, buyers should check properties, conditions, and location before jumping in. These discounts come with a mix of pros and cons, so stay smart and happy house hunting. For a free handout for sellers on how Easy Real Estate Platform can help them, go to my website, BobMangino Sells Naples, or email me at bobmangino@gmail.com. Hope to hear from you.